Alright guys, check this out. BMW X3 2004. It's now retrofitted with a brand new Android screen. So this one is the BMW navigation system all the way from 2004. So it did come with an iDrive screen. So this one goes in that place. The sound still works. It's now up to date with all the new latest apps. YouTube. You can download all your favorite apps on the Play Store. So yeah, if you want something like this retrofitted onto your old vehicle, give us a shout. We can do that for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.